Worried about prying eyes accessing your sensitive PDF documents? Let's dive right into password protecting your PDFs, starting with Adobe Acrobat Pro, the industry standard. First, open your PDF in Acrobat Pro. Next, click on File in the top left corner, then select Protect using Password. You'll see options to restrict viewing or editing. Choose Viewing if you only want to prevent unauthorized access. Now, enter a strong password. Think a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it. For more control, you can also restrict printing or editing by going to the permission settings. This lets you decide who can make changes or create copies. Click Apply, and your PDF is now password protected. Anyone trying to open it will need the password you just created. What if you don't have Acrobat Pro? No problem. Several free online tools can do the trick. Search for Online PDF Password Protect on your favorite search engine. Simply upload your PDF to the website, enter and confirm your password, and then download the secured file. Remember to only use reputable sites for security reasons. That's it, you've now got the power to keep your confidential reports, legal documents, and personal files safe from unauthorized access. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on data privacy and PDF security.